Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll look at why your Nintendo Switch controller blinks red and how to fix the issue. Let's get started. Your Nintendo Switch controller will flash when connecting to the console. The four LEDs at the bottom of the controller blink when the controller is pairing to the console. Once pairing is completed, only the LED corresponding to the player number will remain lit, not blinking. On the other hand, the top LED near the sync button will blink red when the battery charge is alarmingly low. Replacing the alkaline batteries or charging the controller will clear the blinking. Charging the batteries is more economical than replacing them, thus it's preferred. To do this, ensure your Nintendo Switch dock is connected to a power supply using the AC adapter supplied with the console. Connect the USB charging cable supplied with the controller to the dock. Alternatively, you can plug the controller into a power outlet using a Nintendo USB AC adapter. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.